the second part of it where we're on the menu, he doesn't give you step by step. He doesn't give you all the code. And it gets pretty confusing.
Gotcha.
So I've been working on it all this time and I have no clue, but
okay.
we could all try it together. Yeah, or we could get to where it tells us to push, which is page 35, and then work on it on our own and try it again later. Or
okay, well, let's see. Let's try it. I mean, let's go through and try it, and if we get stuck or if we just get lost, then we can split up in some time and try and take a crack at it.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Okay, so we're on 32.
Yep. Top of 32.
Okay. Who's gonna read?
I am. I'll just wait till you get till you're in there.
Okay.
Okay. So implement the display next view function. Now we need to implement the display next view stub function we created earlier. Here is the algorithm for the display next view function. First, a customized welcome message will be displayed with the player's name. Then we will need to display the main menu. The main menu is an entirely different view from the start program view. To display the view, we first need to create a new main menu object and then call its display main menu function. Open the start program view class again and scroll down to the display next view stub function created earlier. Okay. And then type the following code to implement the display next. Okay, and do you have that to copy?
Yeah.
In your sandbox?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let me see the code they're saying.
Oh, go ahead. Okay, and can you put a line or a space after 128? Okay. It says first we print the custom welcome menu and insert the player's name. He didn't welcome menu. Did he mean welcome? That's just the welcome display.
Yeah.
Insert the player's name in the message by calling the player object's get name function. And is that what you're doing? Oh, I can't see a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I see. The main menu is entirely different from an entirely different view that will be implemented in the main menu view class. A new object instance of the main menu view class must first be created and saved in the main menu view variable. Then we called its display main menu view function to display the main menu. I'm going to look at it real fast so I know what you're doing. Okay. The main menu view class is underlined because this symbol cannot, this is ridiculous. The main menu view class is underlined because this symbol has not been implemented yet and cannot be found. We need to create this class now. Select the view layer package. Create the main menu view class in the view layer package. So we will postpone the full implementation. Oh, wait. Sorry, go ahead.
Main menu view.
Yep, main menu view.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We will postpone the full implementation of the main menu view class to a later step. Back in the display next view function, the call to the display main menu view function is also underlined in red because this function has not yet been defined. So it's having you, it just showed you creating the main menu class. It says, let's create the display main menu view function in the main menu view class so that we can call this test and test this function. Click on the light bulb and select the suggestion to create it, to create the display main menu view class. Did you do that already?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about this?
Open the main menu view. Oh, what?
Seems like we need to change this right here to something else.
Yeah, they don't have a.
Oh.
What is the? What does it say? What is the exclamation or the error?
Cannot find symbol. Let me open this one real quick and see.
Was it player's name?
I think no. Player.get player's name. Player.get player's name. So I don't know what's wrong.
Plus player dot.
What does it say in your parameters? Up in the private void display next view, you don't have any parameters in there. And they've got player.
Player. Okay. That's it.
Yep. Nice.
And
Okay, now let's keep
is okay.
parameters
So
there.
keep going.
No, I need to put player in here. Okay.
Okay, so let me find where we were. I think we're on 34. Okay, open the main menu view class and scroll down and find the display main menu function, view function. And it says, let's turn this into a stub function by replacing the throw unsupported stuff statement with the statement that prints a message indicating that we called the function. So, and you can see that, right?
Yeah. Since we're just going to erase
Is your system capitalized? Because I can't see it with your cursor or something sitting on it.
Yes, it is. Okay. I'm just going to put display main menu since we're just going to be erasing this.
Yeah, since we're just deleting
Okay.
it.
Okay.
So run and test your program. Your results should look similar to the figure below.
Okay.
Yeah,
We'll do it.
it looks like it. Yeah.
Yep.
Display main menu. It's successful. Okay. Make sure you save all of your changes. It's also a good time to commit all of your changes to your local repository. Then move on to the next step. So do you want to do that?
Yep, I'll do that.
Make sure you click on Band Manager.
Yeah.
Okay. What's today? June 1st?
Yep.
Yep. Oh, is this Jake's birthday? Or Sydney's birthday?
Sydney's birthday.
Today? There's a birthday today? I mean, we're doing homework?
I know. It's crazy. What should I say that we first half, part one of
I would say finished or completed display main menu test
so
or something like that.
yeah, adding the view classes. Adding view classes and then whichever ones we just did.
Because we just did the stub function for the display main menu.
No, that was the last one. You could say from first half of lesson 7, and then we can.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, we'll know. It doesn't.
Mhm.
Then I'll just say less than 7.
Okay.
Okay. Knit.
And then we should both pull and make sure it's working for us.
Yep.
Wait, I haven't pushed yet though. Hold on.
I know. I'm just saying.
I'm just. Oh, sorry. I don't know if I've pulled the most recent stuff. Oh, it says running down here.
Oh, just hit that X on the end of it.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to push.
So we can go ahead and pull.
Yep, it's in there.
Let's take a look. Hey, yep, everything's there for me.
I think mine's being slow. Did you run yours, Kenji, to make sure it worked?
Let me do it again. I did not. Let me do it. Welcome to the game, Kenji. We hope you have a lot of fun. Yep, it worked for me. Build successful.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
All right, should we start the next one and see how far we get?
Yeah,
Let's try
I'm
it.
telling you, it's
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe
Have you
three
tried any of
brains
this?
together.
what?
Shannon, have you typed out any of this yet in your sandbox?
I have, but I'd be afraid to use it because it's not working. And the thing
Alright,
is, it's not the he doesn't tell you exactly what to do. You know, he just says.
So do you? Sorry. Do you
Oh,
want
we're
somebody
not
else to type?
Yep. Sorry, that stupid delay.
Yeah. Do you want someone else to type now?
Yeah, if one of you wants to.
I
Yeah.
can. If you want to, go for it. I can if we need to.
Okay.
It's gonna get crazy though. Whoever's gonna type is probably gonna end up
Okay.
with a mess.
Okay.
It makes me really excited to type. Just saying that, though, I'll tell you what.
I could clean my sandbox. I could fix my sandbox back to before I tried this, and we could do it in there just in case.
And you guys remember that it's pretty easy to delete your NetBeans project folder.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
If we make too big a mess.
As long as we don't push it up, yeah.
and reclone it.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's give it a try. I'll give it a try. Why not?
Okay.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Okay. So Shannon, you can stop.
Okay.
Okay. So I know you can see it, but I'm just going to read through it.
Yep.
So we will use the same divide and conquer technique we used earlier to create the functions in the main menu view class. The last two statements in the display next view function create an instance of the main menu view class and then called the display main menu view function to display the main menu view. So that's what we already got, right?
Mm-hmm.
We need to first create the default constructor function for the main menu view class so that a new object instance can be created. 1 second. Sorry, I had a cough. Next, we need to create the display main menu view function in the main menu view class so the main menu view can be displayed. Okay, so implementing the main menu view constructor function. The main job of a constructor function is to initialize any class instance variables used by the functions in the class. The only class instance variable that needs to be defined and initialized in the main menu view class is the menu variable. This will hold the default menu to be displayed. So open the main menu view class and create a private class instance variable.
So should I leave this here for now? What do we do?
Yeah, let's just do. We'll probably be getting rid of it.
Okay, so from what I got, right, because this is where we're at, right? I'm looking at the right page.
Right. Yep.
So I'm actually just going to do exactly what it looks like on theirs. I'm going to do.
Okay. I gotta look at something real fast.
Public main menu view. Okay, so open the class and create a private class instance variable. Okay, did that right there.
I did have a
Okay,
main.
so
And then
now you don't. You've got that. Wait, sorry, I'm trying to
my
look at two different screens at once.
I think that curly bracket was just down there because he had a short box.
Yeah, okay, so that's where, yeah, he just hit enter after. So could you put a line or a space between 12 and 13?
Yep.
There you go. Okay, so now create the default constructor function for the class. Initialize the menu, class instance variable with the text to be displayed on your main menu. It should look similar to this. Now I'm going to pull up our menu that we had in our drive, our end user story.
Did you put the menu in there?
Yeah, well, it's in our main menu. I mean, our end user story. I didn't put up, you know, not to. I'll have to type all that unless somebody's got it.
I've got it.
Can you put it in the comment box for him?
Yeah, I'm looking for it.
let's see if it'll go through. So where is, okay, now create the default constructor function for the class. Initialize the menu class instance variable with the text to be displayed on your main menu. It should look similar to this.
Oh,
Public.
okay, sorry. So after you did that private string, you need to do that public main menu view. That's your constructor function.
Or just right below it?
Yeah, it will. Yeah, hit a line below it. We're gonna be squeezing in another like prompt message in there later.
So like here?
So yeah, right about there. Mm-hmm. Did you find yours, Shannon? Because I've got one right here.
I can't find it.
Yeah, I'll just give him this and then we can change it if we need to.
Okay.
Oh, that's a mess.
Uh,
I don't know if
is
that's
it, oh,
gonna
did you
help
try?
you see what-
Did you, yeah, we'll see.
I put it in the comment, but you can see what it does.
Let's just see
included
what
that
happens.
this. Yeah, I included that this. It looks like you already typed that.
Too bad. Added it.
No,
Oops.
you just need to
Yeah.
format it a little.
Where did my? There it goes. Okay.
This needs to be tabbed in so that it's,
Oh,
yeah, one more
thank you.
tab in. There you go. That menu might also need to be changed a little. That was our old menu I just gave you. So I'm gonna look at our new one.
I think it was just like it.
Is it?
Main
think
menus
so.
start is. Was it? Should we? I don't know.
Starting the game.
Should we do another one? Is there a reason we had one? Because it was starting a game.
It looks like we had all the same stuff, so I think we're good.
Okay.
Okay, let me get this out of my face.
It's called. So we got the constructor function is called.
I'm sorry, let me get back to I moved a screen over my second screen and now I can't get rid of it. Okay, so we just got that typed in.
Just need to make sure. Boom. Nope. Okay.
Okay. All right. After the constructor function is called to create a new object instance, the class's display function is called to display the view. The display function is responsible for the overall behavior of the view. Implement the display main menu function in the main menu view class next. Okay, so that's what we're doing now. Implement the display main menu view function. After studying the end user story, we came up with the following problem definition for the display main menu function. Okay, so we just need to know what our, oh wait, that's the same one. So task was display the main menu, get the user selection, and perform the selected action. Continue displaying the menu until the player chooses to exit the program. Inputs are the menu item. Outputs is the next view associated with the selected action, which we're going to be doing stub functions, I think. And the menu item validation, the menu item must be either, one of those letters we used. Here is their test matrix. Okay, we use the same basic display algorithm template used to implement the display start program view function to implement the display main menu function. Okay.
Now this is where we
want to
might
copy
want
and paste.
What
This is
happens
where
if we run it now?
I'm not sure.
I don't think it'll do anything because you could try it, see what it tells you.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
This is
we can hear
where
you.
we
Just
might
ignoring
want to
you.
actually use the algorithm here.
Okay.
Display main menu.
Yeah.
Okay.
It hasn't. We haven't prompted for an input value yet.
We still didn't display it either, too. Because we would display it and then prompt, right?
I'm not sure. Let's just keep going and see what happens. Do you
That's
want to use that algorithm?
Are we talking about this one?
Yeah, Shannon thought it might be better now that we don't know what the heck we're doing.
Yeah, basic, because he's not going to give us everything anymore.
Right. And we're putting that right at the display view.
Let's see. It's a yeah. The code to implement the function to display menu function should be very similar to the display start program view, using the same basic algorithm. So, where is he supposed to put that, Shannon?
Well, we got to
It doesn't
decide.
tell us to yet.
See, it tells you to copy from the player one and then change
All
it.
right, let's just keep going for just a minute. Let's don't put that in there yet because it doesn't tell you to actually. So I'm down on the bottom of 39. Open the main menu view class created earlier and scroll down to the display main menu view. That's what we're on.
Yeah.
Delete the statements that print out the message indicating that the function was called. That's not, is that the right one?
Didn't we?
Yeah. The system
Oh
out.
yeah, okay,
That's
so
this one. Or is it this one?
yeah, delete that system out.
Oh yeah. 'Cause
Copy the algorithm above, here we go, into the display menu function.
You want to
Translate
delete
each of the
that whole
statements of the
line.
algorithm into Java. So that's where you're going to paste that algorithm.
I think I'm just gonna type it. And so we're starting.
So you don't have to do that the begin.
Yeah.
You start from do.
Let's see.
Shannon,
Mm-hmm.
on the top of the next page, it gives you a whole big code. Is that what we're supposed to be typing it in? It says the result should be as follows. The top of 40 is looks like it's the same, or the code we want.
Yeah.
Is this
Oh,
one of
yeah.
those things
That's,
where we do it and then we're just gonna change it again and again? Anyways.
no, you
Yeah,
probably can't.
no, that looks like
Probably
it's,
go ahead and type in the code that they have there instead of that algorithm. We haven't gotten to the part where they're not going to do it yet.
Okay.
Sorry.
So am
so
I?
yeah, that top of page 40, instead of what you're typing here, just type
Yeah.
in what the stuff on the top right
But
there.
how come should I have had public here? Should there be public written right here?
Yeah.
Yes, uh-huh.
Did that have it up here?
I don't know what happened to it.
Yeah, it doesn't have it right there. Weird.
Or it didn't have void or something. Okay.
Okay. Public
Oh,
void.
I didn't have it when I pushed it.
Okay, so
Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna trash this then.
That's weird that it worked.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll do.
Well, it just means whether you could call it or not from another class.
Yeah.
just type it in. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Looks right.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well, it looks the
Okay,
same.
so, yeah. Okay, in the function, the done variable serves as a flag to indicate when the view has been completed. The do while repetition will continue until either the users enter a queue to quit or when the do action function returns a true value. The get menu option function is responsible for prompting and getting the menu option entered by the end user. The do action function is responsible for selecting and performing the action associated with the menu option entered. The statement calling the get menu option and the do action functions have errors. Hovering your cursor over the light bulb reveals that the undefined symbol error. These functions have not been created yet in this function. Click on the light bulb for each function and select the suggestion to create the function in this class.
So do them for both? So,
Yeah.
okay.
It says then replace the throw new unsupported operation exception statements with a statement that prints a message indicating that the function was called successfully and add a statement to return a valid value. This is what your code should look like once you've made those changes. It's down there. Let's copy their system out println thingies.
Yep.
I'll be right back. Can you guys not go past when he types that in?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll wait.
Oh, we're gonna do it all. You guys are so good about courtesy laughs. I'm really not that funny, but you guys are always good about laughing.
Everything's funny to us.
Oops.
Okay. Do you remember when we were doing the do action function and it was saying to create a method, but it never showed up as create a method? This Jennifer in the class is asking about, it says they're trying to implement the do action function, but they're not getting the errors we were supposed to be getting. The assignment shows that when we click on the error message, the prompt create method shows up, but we are not getting that option.
Did they check?
I thought you guys.
There was one where we had something like that where it didn't show up, but it created it automatically. But it also might have been because we copy and pasted it. So that would be my
right.
Just to ask, did they copy and paste anything?
Yeah.
Because if they did, sometimes it would automatically do it, but I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay. Shannon, do you remember? Look at the Google Hangout real quick and look at what Jennifer asked and see if you remember what happened when we had that going on.
Okay.
Oh, I remember seeing that. I think I know what page they're on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think they're on. What page are we on right now? 41. I think they're I remember seeing that. I was like, it's not really what I was saying. It's up here.
Yeah.
I think it was around here. Create method.
You'd just be missing a curly bracket.
Oops. Spelling's hard. Okay.
Okay. Should we continue on ours?
Yep.
All right. So you just
Did you guys already run and test
put
it?
those. No, we just got to that. It says now run and test your program.
We couldn't run and test it without you. You said wait till we're done typing it. Oops. Does it have an example of what should come out?
Okay. It doesn't.
No. Well, it looks about the same as it did last time. So, I mean,
Okay.
like it has
As long as it's
the
green, we're good.
Cool.
Those two functions you just put in were called, right? Get
Yep.
menu
Get
option.
option and do action. Yep, they're right there.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
All right. So develop the get menu option. Is this the part where you think it's going to get scary?
Yeah.
Okay, implement the get menu option stub function created in the last step. This function is very similar to the create your own get player's name function developed in Start Program View class earlier. Instructions. Develop a test matrix for the get menu option function defining unit tests for all of the valid and invalid inputs. Since this function needs to get input from the end user, we can use the same template algorithm for getting input described earlier. Modify the template to get the menu item entered by the end user, then translate the algorithm into Java code. The code should be very similar. Is that right, Lisa? Very similar to the get player name function. Hint, copy the get player name function created earlier to modify it to fit your algorithm. This will save you a lot of time.
This is where I was thinking we should probably look at the algorithm before we bust into it.
Yeah, like go over back to the
Okay.
player.
Yeah.
Where was it?
Could you, Kenji, since we know that what we've got so far works, could you commit it and push it just in case we end up
Breaking it.
splitting off right now?
Yeah, let me make sure I do the thing. What did we just finish? I'll just say
The main menu view.
We're working on it. Maybe you could say bottom of page 41, lesson 7.
That's weird. No files available to commit. Why did it say that?
Oh,
Manager?
did you save it?
Oh, yeah, that would it's
It's grayed out.
It looks like it was grayed out.
Well,
it is
let's
grayed out.
try it again, maybe. How about right click and then use the menu instead of going to the top? Use the menu that comes up.
Where's Git?
Where the heck is your... What in the world?
It's always me. It's like it's never easy. Let me. If I exit out of that, will it? If I hit exit,
It
here,
shouldn't.
I don't think it'll.
Well, it'll just close your project.
It doesn't want me to save it.
Yeah, it looks like you've already saved it.
project.
But then why would it not? Why wouldn't it say that there's stuff that's because I've changed stuff?
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Is it automatically saving and I'm not knowing it? Like when it runs a test, it shouldn't run a test. It shouldn't save it when you run a test. That'd be silly.
Yeah.
I bet she's gonna make me.
Actually, it does. When you run it, it saves everything. Yeah.
But then why wouldn't it let me commit it?
I don't know why your Git wasn't even showing up on that, on the file name.
There it is.
Oh,
it doesn't know what it's doing.
Yeah.
Where's the remote?
Yeah, it's down there at the bottom.
You should be able to just pull
Yeah,
or
and then
pull.
remote.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna pull real quick.
Okay. So what do we need to reference? What was it saying to copy and paste? Where is that from? Get player name function. That was.
Okay.
Is it in the player start program view?
Yeah. The get player's name.
Yeah. So they were saying to take this. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me.
But you don't want the get player name part of it. Just up to scanner.
Okay. I'm sorry. Let's go to the top right under the private string menu at the very top of it where we did our class
Private string menu.
variable. And now hit return and do private string prompt message.
Prompt message, right?
Right. Prompt message.
Okay.
Yeah, small p.
Words.
Okay.
Okay.
Just like that, and then a semicolon. Okay, and then go under the main menu stuff you've got right there. So you've got this main menu, and then go under that main menu after your semicolon, after that last end, and hit return.
28, 29.
Yeah.
I mean, under
Yeah,
you,
and
am I
then
still
there,
in this?
we're gonna-
Am I still in there? This curly bracket?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah. 29.
Yeah. So right here, we're gonna do a this dot prompt message.
Message string. Does that look right? I'll just type it out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, and we don't need string in there. And then just equals and space, and then in quotes, \n. And please choose a main menu option. And you don't need the space between the N and the P.
Or is this main menu? Am I writing this correctly?
Yeah, and yeah, let's capitalize main menu.
Okay.
Yeah, and you don't necessarily have to capitalize choose.
No, I did not. No, I did not. Okay. Please choose a main menu option and then close.
And then like put a like a colon after option and a space before the last quote. Okay, I don't know why. That's just what we did before. Okay, and then we've got comments, but I think we can figure that one out. Okay, so now scroll down to what you just pasted in.
I don't think I pasted. I still have it copied.
Oh, okay. So let me get to it. So let me see. You've got private string menu option. That's what we already did. Oh no, is that what we're working on? Yeah, that's what we're working on. Okay. So this is where
get menu
you could
option is
paste
we're
what you
working on.
just.
Am I pasting it right here, like within it still?
Yeah, go ahead. You can. Are we going to have a return? So over everything you've got there, return and that system out. Go ahead and paste what you copied.
Line 49 and 50 can be erased.
49
yeah, you're going to erase those.
Can be erased. They are erased. Yes. I mean.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now we need to change this stuff.
Let's look. Yeah.
Value Boolean, valid, false. So then don't we need to, it's not necessarily going to be this anymore. It's going to be something similar to, I thought I had something.
Yeah.
It's going to be similar to something like this, isn't it?
Like Shannon's face.
Yeah, we don't care if it's less than one character because it's going to be less than one, or it's going to be one character. No, wait, that's a blank space. So yeah, we do want to keep that in there.
Keep that one in your values blank. Okay.
Yeah. Are we still in the main menu view?
Yeah, we're getting the main.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, so let's go line by line. So the scanner keyboard equals new scanner system in. We need that.
Yep.
And then string needs to be moved over. So string value equals an empty quotes. Okay, and then Boolean value equals false. That's right. And then while not valid is right. System out print line n dot this prompt message. That was the right one.
Yeah,
and then value.
That's correct. Okay.
That's one we just did. So value equals keyboard dot next line. So that's getting the next line typed on the keyboard. Value equals value dot trim. That's trimming off any of the leading blanks. Okay. So if the value dot length is less than 1, value is blank. System dot out print line invalid value cannot be blank. Continue.
So this
okay,
is
now
where...
right here, yeah, instead of that break, we have okay, so let me see the curly brace. Yeah, right there. So leave that after that curly brace where your break is.
So where
change
this is?
the break to, yeah, change that to say return value.
There is also one that's two below, or like there's another one down below it.
Oh, maybe like you just needed to delete that then, that break.
But we just gotta make sure. So is this curly brace right? Is it gonna be?
Yes, leave that curly brace, delete the break, and leave the other curly brace. Okay, and then return value. Okay, and then what do you have underneath that?
This goes next down to the
do action. Now the do act. So if you want to go back and copy that do action.
Okay.
Wendy,
I don't know. Actually, this is way
Wendy,
Go ahead, Jen.
do you not have on yours valid equals true after the continue?
We do. Did we not put that in?
No.
Uh-huh.
So after continue, I put
Oh,
valid.
sorry.
No.
Okay, so
So you want to go to line 65 after the curly brace and then hit return. And then right there, or right under that other the first curly brace. So tab over one.
Oh, okay.
And then valid equals true, semicolon. And then you could put a message or comments in the loop.
okay. Okay, so our do action is going to be different.
It's not going to be this one.
Are we off on our? No.
Okay.
Because now we're going to create a menu.
Gotcha. Where you can
But
actually
are
type
we
in.
off? Can we look at that real quick? It looks like we're off on our curly braces, but I can't tell.
Yeah. So should this be directly under the curly brace?
No, I think that was, well done. Yeah, that's fine. But what is that curly brace underneath that
So
one? What does that go to?
That goes to, I think that's this one for the public class. That's the closer. These ones are all right. Everything here is good. It's just for this one because we haven't done the do action.
Well, I think the do action needs to be inside of those.
Okay, yeah, I think you're right too. Oh, so maybe that's what that's maybe.
So
that's
that one's good, but no, that was there. That was supposed to be there. But that one, that whole thing.
Oh.
Put them up inside of 70.
We have this extra one still.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think this one's good.
Okay. Yeah.
Because this is the one that goes to the class, and there shouldn't be any ones below that one.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay. So now, okay, so right after, you can go ahead and get rid of lines 71 and 72.
Now, Wendy, in the instructions, he goes through the switch thing.
That's what we're doing right now.
Yeah. So
do you want to read that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what page is that on?
43.
Are you talking about 44? Okay.
I think it's 43. So develop the do action function. Next, we need to implement the do action function that is called in the display menu function. Here's the definition of the do action function in the example program. And so they've got the task, determine which action is selected from, and then inputs, a menu item, outputs, Boolean, validation. The menu item must be either those letters. The test matrix is very similar to display menu function, except that we eliminated the test cases for Q because that case is covered in the menu option. Need to be retested here. Notice that a false value is returned for all of the test cases. Returning false will cause the menu to be redisplayed until the user enters Q to quit. Okay. So there's their test matrix. This function is doing a lot, so we will again use divide and conquer to develop the function. Here's the basic algorithm for the do action function implemented in the example program. So you've got convert choice to uppercase, switch choice, and then all of the letters, default, display, invalid selection, end the switch, and return false and end. This function needs to determine which menu item was entered and then perform the associated action. A switch statement here is a good choice because we need to select from a list of valid values. An error message is displayed when an invalid choice is entered. Here is the function after it was translated into Java code. Okay.
So, and our letters are different.
So you want to get rid of, yeah.
So
I'm gonna type it in, and then as I type it, let me know what letters.
Okay.
And by the way, just hold on, wait to finish this. I did change this part right here. this was not choice at first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
it was the menu. Something said something about the. Do you want me to here, I can show you really quick.
That's because you copied it from the other one, you mean?
Yeah, it was menu option
Okay.
first.
Okay.
But we're good
Yeah,
to switch it to choice.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm still here. I know I've been at the computer doing this for a long time. Thanks. Okay, so let's make sure that's below.
Did you see that Jennifer
Okay.
figured it out?
Oh, huh.
What did you say the solution was?
So they have
Or should
theirs
it start?
private, but, or we have a private right there for that do action, but it's public on the,
Oh,
in the, I think, maybe, because you have to choose from other screens or something. I don't know.
yeah.
You know what? If it says it in there, I'm good to go with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, case. So what is this letter?
N.
First one's N.
Yep.
I'm going to go try and wake my daughter up who's sleeping on the floor.
Okay.
Good luck.
I'll be right back. She's 18 for crying out loud.
This
Okay,
letter's L.
so let me just. I think it's gonna be fast. No, it may not. Oh, maybe.
The copy and paste.
Yeah. So this is L.
I think so. I gotta check real. Let me look at our menu and make sure we didn't change anything. N, L, H, S, and Q. Yeah, we're good.
Okay, and what does L do? That is
L, get and start an existing game.
it's the same. Celebrate.
This one's H. And display the help menu.
This would be a little scarier if we didn't already have stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, it would. Well, I mean, so far I feel like it's been fairly close to what the directions are.
I think it was that.
I may not understand 100% what I'm doing.
Yeah.
But you can go
But
back.
the directions, yeah, it's you can go back and see what you did for other stuff.
Yeah.
It's just referencing the other stuff that can be lost if you're not quite sure what to grab.
Yeah.
Right.
That's where I was getting lost. The private string prompt message and all that stuff.
Right.
Yeah, it is a little different too. Okay, so S break done, and then default.
Well, you still need a
Sure,
Q.
well,
You need your case for Q.
No, we're not doing Q.
Quit.
Remember, it said we don't have
Oh.
to because we already did it.
Oh, we have it in
It's
ours.
I know we
it's-
did it wrong. Actually, it seems like there was some reason we put that in there because something wasn't running right.
I know. It seemed like we talked with Brother Anderson about that too.
But let's see how it goes doing it the way the directions say.
Okay.
So he is very good about being very specific. Like I don't ever doubt that he actually read through what we wrote when he writes his comments. Like
Mhm.
there are some teachers who I'm like,
Yeah.
he kind of just brushed over it. I've
Yeah.
never had that thought with him.
Yeah, not at all.
It's pretty thorough.
Okay, so It's a lot of stuff that is angry about what's going on right now.
Yeah, you're going to end up doing functions for all of those, you know,
Is that what it is?
creating all those functions.
So I'm going to
Wait,
do that on
before
all
you
of
do,
them.
Ken. But don't do it yet. Can you
Yeah.
go back
go
to that where your brackets were real fast at the bottom?
Say the
Mhm.
line number.
So yeah, that'd be a good idea. Okay, so break, it should be bracket, then return, false, then bracket. We've got 2 brackets there.
Bracket.
I think,
Turn.
yeah.
Oh, this one's gone. Right. That one's reaching the end of file while parsing. It may, I don't know.
That's
That's
give me one more
next.
bracket
right.
down there.
Anyone- yeah, you're-
94.
Yep. So I think this one should be there, and this one. No. And then, oh, yeah, cool. That should be for the
Okay,
main.
so going back to reading.
Yeah. Yep. Go ahead.
Okay, Shannon, are you still reading?
Sure. Okay, each of the actions can be viewed as a separate subtask that may take several lines of code to implement. So we will implement separate functions for each action. We do this by first creating stub functions in the main menu view class for each of the choices in the class. So yeah, you gotta click on all the light bulbs.
Okay.
We still have some red exclamations though.
Oh. Yeah. Hold on.
Oh,
So I'm good to do this on all these, right?
Mhm.
yeah.
Okay. And then I do have the exclamations because I'm missing.
You need to change all your
These are-
semicolons after the
yeah.
letters to colons.
Happens when you copy and paste.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Alrighty. Okay, so you created all those.
mhm.
All right, each of the actions, I already read that. Okay. We can now, oh, you got to change those all into stub functions.
Yeah, I'm just gonna copy what that has. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to keep reading while I do that, go for it. I'm just gonna copy and paste these. And it's
Oh, we're just
Well,
going
it's just telling us we can test.
oh, great. Okay.
And these ones are going to stay these stub functions. So for now.
Okay.
You want your semicolon at the end.
How did you guys make it this far? I don't know. It's got to be. I'm sure there's a good reason how you guys, for whatever reason, you guys weren't able to finish.
Yeah, we were.
Oh, we were working tax season. Sorry, we were working tax season. It was just way too much.
Gotcha. Oh no, that's not right. Yeah, is that right? Yeah. Why does it feel like I'm existing? These are in different spots.
Yeah.
I don't think.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it matters, but part of me just wants to not have to worry about it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so testing now.
Random one doesn't matter.
Now, does it show
Says
you the
please
main menu?
It does not show me the main menu.
Even if you scroll up, it doesn't?
No, this is how far I got. I couldn't figure it out.
What happens if I hit? Let's just do it. See what happens.
Does it show your stub function?
It says please choose. Yeah, start new game function called. It does right here.
Yeah. So do that with all of them.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I
It's
guess
supposed to be
it doesn't.
showing us the main-
I don't think it is supposed to show the main menu yet. You're just supposed to use your test matrix to see what it's supposed to be. You know, it is telling you the right function
It is.
for each.
Mhm.
So that's correct. Okay, that's correct.
So
How do I quit? Okay, quit. Cool. It's successful.
did you, yeah.
Yeah, how about if you
What happened?
If I don't hit anything, I did test that too. It does say I'll do it though. Head forwards. I don't know if that's actually what you guys were looking for, but value cannot be blank.
So what was our display main menu view that we worked on earlier?
That's this one.
Shouldn't
Right.
that be
Oh,
displaying?
No, not yet.
Let's keep going and see what happens.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh no, it is. It is not actually.
No,
Because
it's
the
not.
main menu
It's
view
supposed to
should
display.
display.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start at the top of yours. I'm going to compare it to our old one.
Okay.
And just see what we got. So what do you have for imports?
Import java.utility.scanner. It says
Okay.
author Shaza. Should I delete this?
That's Shannon. No, you can if you want to.
I mean, I don't know. I was like, Shaza must be. That sounds like it.
I don't know
Guess.
what we had gone farther with, but ours has, we imported the band manager. I don't know why. But here, let's just keep going after that and see what else.
Yeah. Public class,
Let's
main
back
menu
in.
view. And then it goes private string menu. And then below that, private string prompt messages. We then go
Oh,
to
okay,
public.
stop right there. Your main, okay, wait. Before your main menu view, is that a constructor function right there? No, it's not. Oh, that's the constructor function's below that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is that in the right spot or
Okay.
no?
Yeah, you're good. That's good. Okay.
Display
This
main menu
menu.
view. It's something here that this is not. This isn't what's. This is the spot right here. I think. Display
Right.
main view. Equals false.
Did there be any
17.
parameters in there, Wendy? On display main menu?
No, there's not on our old one.
Okay.
Okay, so Boolean false, do, and there's a curly brace. Where's that curly brace end? Right before the while? Or the other one?
The one on 38? Yeah, wow.
Yeah. Okay, and then system out. Oh, wait. We're missing a system out after do. So hit the, after the curly brace on 38, hit return. And type system out print line.
Oh yeah, that would be the important one.
Mm-hmm.
You want a cap? Is it capital? System
No,
out?
or well, yeah, system is.
System out.
Print one.
Read out, or is it one word?
System dot.
Dot out.
Yeah, and then line.
You
Read it.
need to do dot println.
Print line. Print ln.
System out dot. Or is it just print ln? Why can't I
Yeah.
remember this?
Dot. No, you want a dot.
There you go. And then inside parentheses, the word menu.
Lowercase.
Yep.
Okay. Now try that and see what happens. Save. Do we have an error somewhere?
Not yet. Let me type my name and see what happens.
Oh, okay.
Hey, there it is. Hey, look.
There we go.
It's there.
Yay. Okay.
I say you commit and push.
Yeah, let's
Did we
push
do
right
it?
there.
Did we do it? Are we done?
Do we still have more?
No.
Shannon?
Yeah,
we're
not
we have
done.
to implement all those.
Perfect. Okay. Cookies? Since I figure we'll probably be doing another one here in a sec. Probably won't matter what it says. Okay, push. We're so close. It's like, who does this for fun? Like, that's just like when you sit here for like 4 hours just doing this stuff. It's like, who, or 3, whatever. It's like, who would do? Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
So let's crank it out. What's
All right,
What's
let me
next?
and Shannon pull real quick.
And you clicked on your main program, right? When you pushed.
Oh, he's gone, Shannon.
Oh. I can't tell from looking at Git if he clicked on the main program. That's the only file he was in, right? Main menu.
Whoops.
There he is.
Did you guys notice that?
We noticed we were talking and it's like, he's not answering.
I
Okay.
was just making sure you clicked on the main program name before you pushed.
Yeah. When I did that, do it again. Okay.
Oh.
It does this every time. Why? It's gonna let me do it. Okay. We'll commit. Yeah. Okay.
You're not sharing your screen anymore.
Oh. It's just doing that same thing where it was like not letting me
Oh, okay.
see the commit it. Okay, let me share my screen so you can see my computer hating me again. Okay, so band manager, git, commit, nothing.
So it looks like you already did.
Okay.
And it says, let's see.
So we
Try
can
and
pull.
push. Let me push it again.
Okay.
Yeah, it says so master, next, finish.
Yeah, it's got one that you did 2 minutes ago.
Yeah,
Shannon
it
just wanted to
wasn't-
double check.
Yeah, I just before I pulled,
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, well, I honestly
Okay.
don't remember if I did it or not. So it was probably didn't, to be completely honest.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pulling. I want to try running it real quick.
Cool.
Is yours working, Shannon?
Hold on, I haven't pulled yet.
Is yours working?
Mine is.
Okay, good. Okay, first, okay, go to start.
Oh, shoot.
What?
I was testing the wrong one, so that's why it was working. Yeah. Give me a sec.
Mine's working. I just pulled.
I'm gonna try mine real quick. Okay. What's it supposed to do when I hit N? Are you sure? Mine's not doing something it's supposed to be doing.
Well, yeah, it is. It gives you start game function call, and then it gives you the menu again.
So if I hit any of the options,
So
what's
like
it supposed to do?
It should give you the stub.
yeah.
Okay,
So I
that's
hit
what it's not
L and I
doing.
got start existing game function called, and then it prints the menu again.
Okay, so if I'm in the view and I should be on main menu, and that's the one I run, right?
Huh?
And then I type my name,
Yep. And then
typing my name.
and that's when it'll show it.
She gives me the option.
Yep.
And then I hit N.
Yep.
It doesn't give me a, oh, did you say it goes up above?
Yeah.
No.
It goes up above and displays main menu again, right? Is that what it is?
So above the main
My
menu.
screen wasn't tall enough for me to see.
Gotcha.
Yeah, okay. All
Okay.
right, so it's working. Okay, so we're gonna go back to reading again.
Yep.
Okay, so
46.
46. Implement the stub functions. Now we need to implement each of these stub functions you just created for the do action function. Let's start with the start new game function. It is responsible for creating a new game object and then display the game menu view. Here is the algorithm for the function. Create a new game, create a new game menu. Okay, move down to the start new game stub function, main menu class, and type the algorithm directly into the function as comments, and then implement each statement in the algorithm. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can just look at it. The first statement of the algorithm requires creating a new game. This is a relatively complex, of course it is, subtask. So we decided to create and call a function called create new game to implement this subtask. Okay. So in start new game, you're going to have comments, create a new game.
I did this one. Just this. I think I did it. And then am I doing these ones? Should I go down and do this part too?
Let's see, it says this function deals with the play of the game, so we'll implement this function in the game control layer class as a static function. Remember that static functions and variables are global to all object instances of the class and do not belong to any specific object instance. Therefore, we qualify the function by its class name instead of with a variable referencing the object of the class. Notice that we also qualified get player function with its class name because it also is a static function. Okay, so I guess they're talking about that dot create new game or game control. Okay, so the next two statements in the algorithm states that we need to create a new game menu view and then display its menu. The game menu is defined.
Can we change our parameters before we go on? Because Curious Workmanship needs to be band manager.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. I totally zoned out and just copied exactly what it was. Okay. Is this supposed to be capital B?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next two statements in the algorithm states that we need to create a new game menu view and then display its menu. The game menu is defined in the game menu and user story, so we'll need to create a new class called game menu view to implement this view. Here is the code to implement these two statements.
See light at the end of the tunnel, and it's just like this. Just want to bring it out.
Yeah. So notice errors in the function. When you hover the cursor over the light bulb, we see the cannot find the symbol error for the references. Game, da, 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 da. You need to create these two classes.
I'm good to click on them and do it.
Yeah.
Is it? Wait.
In the game control class, let's see. Create the game control class in the control layer package and the game menu view. Oh, I guess you have to.
So it is kind of specific. Where does it want me to? So create.
You have to go to the menu. Or you have to actually create them yourself, not with these things. So you got to go over to. Yeah, so create the game control class in the control layer.
So we're just
It's,
So,
This one?
yeah, go to, oh wait, you already have game control. You create-
I think
create the
he-
game control class and the control layer class package and the game menu view. They're already there, aren't they?
yeah,
Game
I
menu.
think we did that.
we don't have game
Why-
menu view though.
Oh,
Oh,
not
and-
game menu view.
What happens if what's in here?
Yeah, we've been working on it. I think he just screwed up by saying,
Okay.
Well, did you just hit when you were on that light bulb? Did you hit something that created a class?
no, that we must have created that in another assignment.
Hmm.
I think because remember when we did all the controls, we typed all of them out. We did, hey, might as well just do all of them, and we did all of them in one go for the control.
Right.
Yeah,
Because we were just supposed to do one of them, and then we're like, while we're here, do them all.
right. Okay.
So then for this
So
one,
this one, you just need the game menu view class in the model layer package, it says. Does that make sense to you people?
yeah, it's there's a picture below
Yeah.
it too that shows you where it's going.
Game menu view in the model layer package.
Because it's in the
Yeah.
band manager view. Oh wait, is it in model? Oh no,
Yeah,
so
he
right
said-
here.
Yeah, it needs to be in the model.
But then how
I
come
think
it says-
he goofed.
Yeah, which way did he goof? Is it supposed to be in view or model?
Well, let me look at our old one.
Oh, his picture, he's putting it in view. So
Yeah.
he said
Yeah,
he
it's
was
in view.
in model and he meant view.
Okay.
So,
Did it not go in there? Where is it? Yeah, main menu view. No, game menu view.
game menu view.
Why did
Where
that
did it
just come up
go?
as Java.java?
Java. Somebody's knocking on my door. You guys hold on one sec.
Okay. What in the world's going on?
Did I? What can I don't even know if I can undo that. Where did that go?
Let's see. Do you have a game menu view?
No, because you just do right click and then you do Java class, right? Or is it supposed to be package?
No, it's supposed to be class.
Yeah, and then I just typed in game menu view. But if you look over here, it says package game menu view, but it says java.java, but I don't even know where this is. Is this, oh, I bet I did. No, I did it right.
Why is it calling it Java?
Where is this path at?
That says package. Did it create another
Did
package?
you create a package?
I must have. Can I
Sure.
delete it?
Yeah. We'll go and go look at your whole big view so you can see the
Yeah.
package there.
But I don't see it in here. Oh, test packages maybe?
No,
I'd see Java though.
there.
No, this is all the.
Yeah, there it is, right at the very top under source packages. Game menu view Java.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
So delete that whole package.
Get
this whole
game
thing.
menu view package.
Delete it.
Yeah.
Refractor.
No, I wouldn't click that button because you haven't done anything with it. I just
Okay, so just
yeah,
hit OK. Okay, so then it's right here, right?
Yeah.
New
Mm-hmm.
Java class,
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
and then what was it? I'm sorry, I got distracted.
Game menu view.
Finish, right? I don't have to do. So this why? I don't know. It says source packages.
Oh, it should be. Yeah. That's right.
It should be in the
It is
view.
in-
Yeah,
it is.
you're right. You're good.
So good to go.
Mhm.
That's
Mhm.
weird. Okay, well it's there now. Yeah, it's there.
Cool.
So what do I need to put in this?
Okay, so after importing the game control and game menu view classes into the main, you need to import those classes. So
yeah.
go back to
on the
main
red light bulb.
view.
And then importing these into.
In the main menu view. Yeah, now you do those light bulbs.
So create class
The
band
top
manager.
one.
Oh, this one?
No, the
No.
top one. Yep. Import. Top one.
What? I don't think so.
That one.
I think it's the
That's what we
second
did
one.
another
isn't it?
one.
Wait, let's
Yeah.
read it again.
I-
Let's read it again. After importing the game control and game menu classes into the main menu view class.
Okay. Oops, you
To the
just hit it. You
so
set
this
it up
is-
for debugging.
Oh, how did
Shannon, see the band manager we're referencing in the parameters? He has to import that.
But I think I have to do this one.
Yeah.
After importing,
No.
oh,
You have to import
but
band
neither one
manager.
of those is in main menu view.
But we're referencing them from here, right? You're in main menu view, and
Yeah.
we need to import
But
band
Wendy,
manager.
we're trying to do what it tells us to do.
I know, but I don't know why it's saying that. But in our old one, we've got band manager imported and the main and the game control imported
Well,
Okay.
maybe we haven't gotten to that
because
yet.
you're referencing.
I
You don't have
I
anything
mean,
else
the
included in
only-
here.
Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of is because, I mean, we've never even done these. I mean, I guess we have done the create class. I don't know. The only reason why I would say import
That's-
is because it specifically says after importing. It doesn't say.
Yeah, after importing.
Well, at the top it says we need to create these two classes and then import these two classes.
Create the game control. Okay, so create game control class and the control layer package.
So I think that's how that other one showed up
So
because you clicked
create-
on that.
Create
But we already did that.
class game control and the control.
I think it's that second one.
This one.
What is that? Import what?
Import. That's a BYUI CIT 260 band manager dot control game control.
Yeah, isn't that the class?
That's one of them. Hmm.
So do that one.
Uh-huh.
I think it would have done that when you did on the other light bulb too. And then you have to import band manager.
Import. Add import for band manager.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to eventually because
Okay, now.
Create method.
It doesn't say anything about creating a method.
Okay. Both those ones still have. Does it have the exclamation mark still? Okay. So it still has it there. After importing. Okay.
So after importing the
Get
game
the-
control and game menu classes into the main menu view class, we get
Yep.
the cannot find symbol errors again because we have not created the create new game function and display menu functions yet.
Yep, that's correct. So we should do that now.
Yeah, create stub functions for both of these functions in their respective classes.
So one of them was in game control, right? And the other was in, why is this? Oh, that'd be why. Okay, so here's the display menu.
So where did those classes end up? Are they still in the main menu?
This one's in the game menu view now, which is right here. So this is the game menu view public class. So I need to do void display menu. The game control somewhere else. I'm not quite sure where that one is right now. Right? Yeah, it's not in this one. I'll find it in a sec. I'm gonna do this really quick. Or slowly get display menu, open bracket. I'll just, should I delete both of those?
oh, we gotta create a whole game menu.
No,
I
we're
thought we
doing a
just-
stub function.
Be looking in.
Then we have to
Friday.
make the menu.
Should we
Well, yeah,
just
they have the next one.
the next one just telling us? Oh,
Let's just do what it tells us, and then I'm just looking.
Because we want to be able to test it.
this is
I'm gonna look at our game menu and make sure our end user is what we wanted, because I think we made a mess of our game menu. Me and Shannon, that is.
it's new. Okay. Another one I think is in game control, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so it's in game control right here. Though it is at the bottom.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Public static void. Player looks good. And then get rid of this. And print display. Oh, create display. Or create. Okay, so step 3.
Okay, so is there a way to test that right now? I don't even know if it would do anything.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I thought there's an error in here somewhere. Is there?
Yeah. Or can we see your, I mean, if you hit save, sometimes the errors go away.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, it's gone.
Okay, so our game menu right now, I don't
Wait.
think is what we're actually going to want.
Okay, let's just see.
If you look on the Google Drive.
Hold on, we're seeing if this is still working.
Nope.
There's really not anything we can hit to get to it, or to see if those, why do we make those stub functions? What calls them?
Yeah, I think that's the thing. You haven't made anything to call them yet.
It's
or if you
not,
put your output screen a little taller.
Oh, is that what you're talking about?
Put your output screen a little taller. Yeah.
Just drag
it up, like if you put it so that the double arrow shows up in between the lines. There you go.
Oh, that's what you're talking about. They're up here now.
Yeah. So
what we just did probably didn't give us anything that we could check.
Well, yeah, run it one more time and just see if it shows us any stub functions.
What do you want me to type in?
Yeah.
No, it's not going to show us anything.
I don't think it's going to help do anything yet.
Okay.
Wait, do we have a game menu on our main menu? Just do start new game real fast.
Create new game, stub called, display menu called.
Okay. So,
so there,
right? Create new game, was that one that we just did or no?
Yeah, that was the one we just did. Oh, wait. Oh, the one that we just did?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Probably not.
You gotta just drag it. There you go.
We just did the display menu called, and we did the create new player, create new game stub called. I think we did that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Is that what it said when you did the start new game?
Yeah, it didn't tell us to test right here anyway, did it?
No, but I want to see if it says what he typed in when you hit start new game.
Where's the, oh, this is an old one. Create new stub is called, and yeah,
that's
create new game stub, yeah.
Cool. Okay, what are you saying about the menu, Wendy?
Well, I was saying that's not what he just created. Those two things, those two stub functions it showed us. No, that was the create new game menu.
Yeah, display. It was the display menu.
And displayed the main menu, I think.
What was the other one?
But you were just
it was create new game.
Create new game and display menu.
Oh, it is the ones.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
create
sorry.
new game is there, yeah, and display menu. Yep, they're both there.
Okay.
That's good.
All right, so I was saying let's look at our main menu. I mean, let me share my screen for a minute.
Okay. Hold on, I gotta do the same thing you just did. Is I gotta wake somebody up because they're not gonna be able to sleep tonight. If
Okay.
Can you see my screen, Shannon? Shannon?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm waking Morgan up.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to make sure this is actually our main menu, or game menu, before we go slapping it all in there. And I don't know if we agreed on all this.
oh, that's a lot of menu stuff.
Yeah. I don't think
I can't remember.
travel to
I mean,
the
what'd you say, Shannon?
It seemed like we were doing travel to new location a different way.
Yeah, we were making a mess. So what is their example game menu?
What is the goal of the game? Oh wait, no, that's their getting
Their help
help.
menu.
It's our help menu we have to do.
Oh, so should we not mess with this right now then?
Yeah, just the help menu.
Okay, let me look at her. And ours is pretty close to, well, no, ours is
What's the
let's
goal
go
of
to game, how to pay.
how to
I think
pay-
this is good enough. Wait,
Okay.
do we need pro tips?
No.
So we just need the menu to come up when we do the whatever letter it is to call it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing?
Is there anything else on that should be on the help menu that you guys can think of?
Let's see, how to pay off the loan, how to upgrade instruments. Probably something.
I wouldn't worry about it too much right now. As long as we can get something up there as we write it, and we like get stuck or be like, oh, I wonder how you do that. Then we can add
Yeah.
stuff to it.
No,
That's
we can stick it in there. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna stop sharing.
Okay, I'm gonna share again, and then, all right, lead me.
Okay, here is the getting help and end user story in the example program. Notice that it's very similar to the main menu end user story, except that there are different actions associated with the menu. Each selection will print out the help text associated with the selected action. And then it's got their example instructions. Use the main menu view test matrix algorithms and code you developed for main menu view in the previous step as a template to develop the view for the help menu and user story for your program. Modify the template as needed to fit your needs of your help menu and user story, end user story. Then run your program.
So basically copy the main menu we just did and create a help menu.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
But we need to make it
You
pop
gotta
up
do it
at a
the same
different
way.
time. So instead of having it show up at the beginning, we're gonna have it
It'll
show
show
up
up when you choose.
after when you choose that letter. Yeah. So instead of so where's that stub at? Is it? Oh, do we have to make it?
I think so.
So display. So here it is. This is that one.
Yeah, display help menu. There you go.
So which ones did you guys just make?
Well,
We
display
did
help.
the display menu, and we did the create new game is what we just made, but we need to do the display help menu.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's on main menu view.java.
Okay. So that's gonna have
Do I need to copy and paste something? Could it be
so it
that
has a do action, right? And then it also has what?
That sounded like a National Treasure reference.
Could it be,
Could it be
that,
that
easy?
easy?
It's never that easy.
Okay, so you know, Wendy, how you did that? We had that private string prompt message. Do we have to do any of that?
Just
This is
the-
the same.
Okay, so wait. Okay, so wait. Go to the bottom of the main menu view. Did you make a stub function there?
Yeah, it's right there. This is the one.
Okay. Okay. So let's change that.
Okay.
delete that line.
Okay.
And leave the space.
Okay.
And then add a comment that says display the help menu. And then type help menu view, so capital H. So did we create the help menu view? Or did we create the game menu view?
We did the game menu. We did game menu view.
Well, we did game menu view, and they're showing you how to do that example they showed was the help menu. So really, we should be working on the game menu view right now, right?
No,
Because we haven't even created. Did we create a help menu view class yet?
it says implement the help menu view class, but I don't see where it ever told us to create it.
Yeah, no,
Well, I think he goofed. I mean, I think the guy goofed because he just showed us how to get everything ready to create a game menu view. And then he's telling us to implement the help menu. We haven't even implemented the game menu.
I'm wondering though if there's more to it than like if that's like getting us ready for a different assignment.
I think we were supposed to finish it and then go back and do this, right?
What?
Create step functions for both these
well,
functions.
if I can tell him how to do the help menu view, but we haven't created a help menu view class yet. So let's go do the game menu view.
Why don't we just create a help menu view class?
Because we haven't finished the game menu view. I think the instructions before implementing the help menu, I think we were supposed to finish the game menu.
No, it never says to do that. What do you mean? Like make a whole game menu?
That's what it's telling you to do for the help menu, and he's already walked you through most of it. We have to do everything we just did for the game menu, and then we have to actually implement it.
Oh, you know what it is? I don't think we do it here. I think this is for that's the individual assignment. I think both of us get 2 of them, and we're supposed to set up banners specifically for each. Like each, we're going to assign. Let me show you. It's for next week. That's our next week individual assignment, I'm pretty sure. What is this? This is our
the weird thing. I think that they're goofing by telling us to implement the help menu because they've gotten us this far enough to implement the game menu view. And they're telling us to implement the help menu view, and we haven't even done all that stuff. I was just about to tell you how to put the help menu, but we'll have to go backwards and create the help menu view. But we could do the game menu right now because we're ready for that.
So this is what we're doing. Basic template for displaying views. So the assignment for this one, for lesson 8, is so not this week, but next week, is that each end user story in your game has more views, blah, blah, blah. And this is talking about display menu view. That's showing you how to do it here. But the assignment is that each one of us create 2 new views for your game program. So that's why there's stubs, is because that's going to be our assignment, I think, is to go back and do that part.
So
does that make sense?
Well, I go back to explain what we just did real quick. Just sum up what we just did.
What, just like over here?
On the game.
For creating the stubs?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so okay, so what we just did is that we imported those create new games. We did the game menu and the views. And then we created stubs for the create new menu so it would pull up when we called them. And then we did the display menu, and that's the view. And then from there, they leave it at the stubs. Because from here, we're going over, and I think this is why we're doing the help menu class, is because in our personal assignment that we're going to have next week, I think we have to choose 2 of those classes, and we're going to have to divvy them up. And then, because it's telling you right here, this is how you do the main menu views right here. So it's showing you. And then I think our assignment is going to have to do 2 of those, and we're going to divvy them up that way.
So right now we're trying to create a help menu view.
Yeah, right now we're doing the help menu view.
Yeah.
So we need to go and create a help menu view class, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I believe so. Yep. Use the main menu view. Oh. So we're using the main menu view matrix. Oh, wait, sorry, right here. This is getting help and user story in the example program. Notice that it's very similar to the main menu and user story, except that there are different actions associated with the menu. Each selection will print out the help text because we have this.
So if we go back to,
so we need to create a separate one, a separate menu pretty much. Man, this is way longer than I thought it was going to be. We need to go to, where is it? Where we had that. Yeah, this part. So we're going to have to do this pretty much, setting up the choices, but we're doing it for the help menu. So we need to make a list of what we want to have questions about. And then when they hit that specific letter, then we're going to have the information pop up.
Okay, I just think it's super stupid that they just walked us through the game menu, got everything set up, and now they're telling us to finish it with the help menu.
Yeah.
But here, let me just tell you what I was telling you.
Okay.
So on the help menu view, then space help menu, it's a small h, equals new help menu view with the capital H.
M.
You want to say
Yeah. And then parentheses, or, make it a function, no space. And semicolon. And then return. And then it's small h help menu dot display help menu view. And semicolon. Oh, wait, function. And then semicolon. Okay, so that's it for that. And then what are your two little light bulbs telling you? So create the help menu view class.
Create help menu view class. Does it matter where?
Is that the right one? We want it in the view class. I can't read what you're looking at.
So this one is create class help.
Wait, no. We want it in the sort. Shannon, where do we want this?
The game or the help
we
menu?
Want it in that top one.
Okay.
Yeah, the top one, because we want it in the view.
All right, I was trying to put something in the Hangouts.
And the help menu is in source packages.
Let's see. Can you read that top one? I can't see what it says.
Create class help menu and package BYUI. It's the same one as the last one.
Oh, create classes help menu. I don't think we want. I'm not sure what we want here. Because we don't want a help menu. We have a help menu view, and that's what we want.
Because we're in.
And that other one. Create class help menu in package. And we don't want that. We already did that, right?
That's what this one was. But they're different.
Yeah. Oh, this is aggravating. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Can you guys hold on 1 second?
Yep.
I just asked about this in the Hangout, and the teacher had just texted to somebody else, so maybe he'll answer us.
Yeah, he responded a second ago.
Yeah.
Sorry, what were you guys saying? Somebody sent in the clowns.
We were just talking about, I just put this in Google Hangouts. Hopefully the teacher will.
Now, is that a literal clowns, like for birthday party?
No, that's the song, the reference for the song.
That's for song.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. No, just kidding.
So we're trying to figure out, Shannon, what this second one is, because I don't think we want to create another class. What is that very bottom one?
So the only difference between these two is it's you're creating a class and you're creating a field, but they're both in the main menu view.
Can we work on can we just pretend that they're wrong and work on the game menu and see if it works, since we've already gone through and done everything else? So like if you go to the main menu.
The only thing is we're still gonna have to do this.
We'll stop it. Well, I mean, we can delete it if it doesn't. I just want to go this far with it and see what it does. So if you're at the bottom of main menu and you go to the gate, oh, I'm sorry, go to the start new game.
Start new game.
Okay, hold on. No, not that one. Sorry. Where were we just when I was telling you to, what I just read to you? Was that at the main menu one?
My brain is getting pretty fried.
Me too.
Oh, it was main menu. Okay,
main menu view?
At the very bottom, go to the start new game one. Okay, so see, we're doing the same thing that we're.
I have no. Oh, create new game.
There's
another stub
you were
right
there
here.
At the main menu.
Start new game. This one.
Yeah. So when we did that before, was that something it walked us through?
Yeah, I think so.
What did we do when we see that game menu .display main menu? Or that's the same thing we're trying to figure down at the bottom. What did it do when you clicked on the red button?
The instructions to that point.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
It's page 46.
It's these two. This is what we debated about it too over here.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the one where they said to do a method or something, and we don't know what we did, or we were looking for a method?
Create game control class in the control layer package and the main menu view in the model layer packages. And then select the light bulb, import these two classes.
And we decided he said model layer when he meant view layer or something.
Yeah, but I don't know if what these are creating classes.
So game menu display menu.
So import create the game control class in the control layer package. So then if we're doing the display menu, if that's in the game control class, this is insane.
I know. I think we just need to create a help menu class in the view layer. We did. We have a help menu view. We already did that. We're just trying to figure out what the bottom one, the help menu display.
Menu class, this is the main menu class. We cannot find the symbol error because we've not created the create new game and display menu.
I don't even remember where we sent the first one now. Let me. Oh, yeah, no, okay. It's going to just stay there.
We have two help menu views in our view class now.
Help menu view. So there's the help menu view and
our view package.
Help menu view. There's one class help menu view.
Well, look at your packages. The package for the view. What are those classes? I can't read them.
Oh, yep, there are two of them. There's a help menu view, and then there's a help menu view. There's this one, and then there's this one. So this probably
we don't need that second one. Yeah.
This is. So that's what was created when we. Okay, I'm gonna delete it.
Okay.
And then we should have but now I'm a little concerned because, okay, so there's that one again. Okay, so that's not. So then we didn't want to do it
Did
in
it-
the.
Did it just delete both of those?
Well, now we have them both again.
Okay.
I only ever saw one.
Oh, right.
Well, this
I
you
saw
were
two.
doing something. I think when we did two, when we decided you were doing something happened.
Okay, so try that again.
Which one?
Create
I
the
don't
help
even.
menu. In the view, well, I can't read those, so
So there's this in the source package. So create class help menu view and package byui.cit260.bandmanager.view, which is the source packages, or create class and help menu view and the BYUI. So
I
the
don't see
difference
what the
between
difference
these,
is.
It
It's
needs
one of
to be the
them's-
top one because we need to have, it needs to be its own class in the view layer.
see
And
that's
that's what we
created
did the
that
first
though.
time.
Mm-hmm.
And that's
it made
now
two of
creating
those.
this extra one.
Okay, now it's just one, right? Because now you have main
No,
menu
now
and
there's-
help menu.
Now just one. Well, yes. Yep. Yep. So we need both of them. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense.
Okay,
That makes sense that we have two.
so
So
what
this
is in
one,
that help?
the help menu is just the new class that we just created.
Okay. So I'm gonna look at our help menu. And that's where we're supposed to be putting the whole, copying what we did for the main menu.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be doing the same thing in there.
But what are we doing with this help menu display, help menu view?
That's what I have no idea. I can't remember what we did in the other one.
What one are you in? Is that in the main menu view?
This is the main menu view. Yes.
Okay.
Can I zoom in? I don't think I can. I can push this too. I mean, I don't know if we want to necessarily right now, but if you guys want to be able to see it a little better.
Oh, we've got a, probably shouldn't since we have an error in it.
Yeah.
Okay, so display, help menu, view, function. We need to figure out where that function ended up, Wendy, in our old one.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. So on the main menu view, can somebody explain that line 104? I hate when they use the dot because I don't quite recognize what we're doing there.
It's in the help menu view. So that in the main menu view, okay, in the main menu view, that thing down there at the bottom that you've been typing on, where, okay, the very bottom one, display help menu view.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Click on the light bulb.
Yep.
And then it's that top one.
Sounds good to me.
We already did that.
Now go
So
into
that
the
just made another package.
No, was that a package?
Yeah, it was a package. That's why we're
Yeah.
confused.
Because it just created. So
you
now
gotta
we
delete
have
that.
now we have the help menu view and we have the help menu.java now. So delete this one.
Yeah.
Do we need
But-
both of them? I don't think.
No, we don't.
Now it's
But
back.
Shannon,
Well, let's just-
go up to the game or the start one, on line 104 there. If we can figure out what that did, we could figure out what to do down here. What is this saying? Game menu dot display menu function. What is that saying? What's
It's
it
a
telling us to
function.
do?
That's a function that got put in the game menu view.
So where is the stub function for that?
display
that we
menu.
just created.
It's right here. It's in this one. So in my brain, this should be going there, but there's not an option for this. Did I spell something wrong? Should this be
Maybe it's
display
because we
help
haven't
menu
created
view?
it.
Because this should be going in this one.
Yeah.
Into game help menu view, you're
into
saying?
help menu view, because if it's over here, this is so game menu view, and we go over here and we have the game menu display menu function, game menu display menu functions right here, and then there's the stub for it.
Yep.
Okay,
So
so
it
this
should
one
be
should be
in
going into
here.
the help menu. Maybe we just haven't created it yet.
Well, is there a way to, when you click on that light bulb, is there one that isn't the package and that has the help menu?
No, each one is create
Let's
class.
Let's just ignore it for now. And Let's create our help
What if we-
menu
what if we do
view and
this?
then just see what happens.
What if we just do this? So what is it? Void display menu. What is this one? So that's display menu. So we'll do void display help menu view. Void display syntax, right? Display help menu. Okay, so display help menu view. And
Are we calling a constructor function when we do this?
That's a great question.
All right, let me just read some stuff for you to type into help menu view. And I think it's going to work itself out.
to this one,
My daughter's.
Yeah, onto that one.
go for it.
Okay, so right after class, hit, go down twice.
Right after this.
Sorry, right after that whole line. Right after that curly bracket, yeah. Okay, private string menu. Okay, return, and then private string prompt message. And the same level though.
Here.
Yeah, and you're missing an E on your first private.
Yeah. Private string, what was it?
Prompt message. And then make sure you have semicolons, yeah. And then return twice. See, I'm sure there was something we were supposed to do that was going to do this automatically, but we can just type it. So now we're going to create our constructor function. So, or actually, you know, what would be easier is go to, sorry, main menu, is it? And copy from the top, go to the very top. Go to the very top. And copy from 16, no, not 16, 21, yeah, down to 34.
Not 21 because you don't want that main menu. Just
Well, we're
from-
going to change it. Go ahead.
Yeah, change it to the help
Go ahead
menu.
and copy it.
Just to.
And now change that to help menu view. Okay. And then ours was G was the first one.
I put it in the
And
comments.
it was what is the goal of the game? Shannon, can you see our end user stories? Because I think we changed some of these. Oh, and then how to make payments or pay off the loan.
What letter?
L.
How to make payments and pay off the loan? How to make payments to pay off the loan?
Or pay off the loan,
Or pay.
We had U as the next one, how to upgrade instruments and equipment. Instruments/equipment.
Upgrade instruments/equipment.
Mm-hmm. And we don't have save game on our end user story, but I don't know if we should have it. Maybe we should have it.
Was this for how to
No, this
help
is
menu.
Actually, they don't have it on theirs.
So just, you can get rid of that line and just Q for quit. Help menu.
I think I'll take this with
And change that, yeah, to help menu.
Okay. See you later. Be careful.
Okay, and then your prompt message, change that to please choose a help menu option. Okay, and then go back and copy that next section. And then you gotta
Okay.
change that to help menu. So display help menu. View. And then the Boolean thing is the same. Do system print line, it's still menu. String
come we have these
menu
guys?
option. Let's see.
Create method.
Which method is it wanting?
It's wanting the get menu option and the help menu view because we don't have it in here, but I believe we do have it in the other one.
Oh, let's see. Can you like not hover over that for just a sec so I can see what's behind it? So it says what? String menu option equals this, get menu option. If menu option to uppercase, return,
Good.
exit. Okay, so where did we need to put that?
No, we don't have the methods inside this help menu view.
Uh-huh.
I think we do have them in here.
So are we going to end up copying them if we keep going?
Yeah, if we want to keep doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Are we doing this one?
Try
Just
that.
copying this one?
Yeah.
Were those
next
public?
group. Were those what?
How far?
Public?
Let's just do one
Okay.
method at a time. So to that next, yeah, to that.
So this was 1, 2, 3, and then it was below the. So it's here. Oops.
Okay.
Okay. Do we need to change any of this?
I think, yeah. Well, I don't know. Let me get to that one. Okay, so private string get methods, scanners all the same, string,
Boolean. Look at that one.
Boolean.
Try to wake up the person.
Okay.
Okay. System, this value keyboard next line, trim value if value length, system out, continue, volunteer, yeah, it does too. Okay, so now he should be able to do the do action one and we'll just have to change those. What's Riley doing, Trace?
Keep trying.
Okay. Do you need to change anything? Sorry.
No, that was good. So you can go to the do action.
Next to that one.
Mm-hmm.
So we're doing do action. I'm gonna go all the way down to return false, and then right after that.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's right under this one, and I believe is 2.
Okay, that's where we have to change it to our menu.
To what we actually want, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this is, can you?
G. Oh wait, yeah, G.
G.
And then and it's going to be goal of the game is what we put for the comment.
Start. Oh. Goal of the game.
Mm-hmm. And then L, payments and payoff loan.
Now, wait a minute. He's got to do this dot goal of the game.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This dot goal of
game.
okay. Goal of game. Then next one was
and then
L. Or which one was it?
Yeah, and it's
Yeah, L.
and payments and payoff loan.
Yeah.
And then it's pay on loans.
What is it? Pay on loans or pay off? Pay off?
Pay on loan.
Pay on. Is that correct?
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah.
Then U.
Yeah.
Upgrade instruments and equipment.
Okay.
Yeah, it was upgrade instruments is what we put.
Okay.
Oh, no, you were right there. I just meant for the this.
Upgrade instruments.
Uh-huh. Shannon, did you
Hello?
see if he answered you?
I'm looking, I just heard it beep.
Okay, and then Q for quit. So you actually, do we have an extra one in there? No, we don't. Okay.
What is this? Should not be the same though. This
No,
is
that
just
should
quit.
say return true.
This it should say this dot return true.
No, just return true. Get rid of break and, yeah,
What
get rid
about-
of break in that line and just say return true. Semicolon.
Like that.
Yep. Okay, and then the next
Is that good?
line is good. Okay. And then what is after, is that the last in the program?
And I believe so. Then they do the start new game, which is the ones that we did in the game menu, and they're doing all these other stubs.
Okay, so now you gotta
We still
go,
didn't.
click.
This is still.
Well, before we do that, go back to the help. Yeah, click, make those constructor or those functions.
What
right?
button am I? What is okay? So I can
Yeah,
click that.
create
Create
method.
method.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Create method. Create method. Okay. So then these
Okay.
are.
You make those all stub functions.
Yeah, they need to be stub functions. Unless it tells us we have to do all that.
No, it doesn't.
So we never got to the next level, did we, Shannon? I mean, this was the
No,
last week we took.
Yeah, but you and I
So-
did go in and put a bunch of stuff in though.
Well, we didn't create menus, I don't think, because that's what's next. And we've got all these menus created. I'm pretty sure this is the last week we took.
This is. I mean, I'm pretty sure what we just did is what we're going to be doing, very similar to the other display menus.
Uh-huh.
What we just
Yeah,
did
And I
right
think,
here.
and I think next week we have to do some presentation.
Well,
I just remember when we got out, we were like, phew, didn't have to do that.
Well, you're not that lucky this semester.
Yeah.
Upgrade instruments function called blah blah. I know that doesn't matter, but
Yeah.
right, because this is going to
Yeah,
change
right.
eventually, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
These are just stub functions.
Okay.
Okay, we still haven't figured out what that other dot is.
Nope.
What other dot?
Missing.
This one right here.
So I still think because game menu, I guess, I don't know. Maybe we do make a whole new one. Because we
This
have the
one.
game menu and we have main menu.
What's at the top of your help menu?
Well, it's the same as this one, so this is the same
Did we
as
spell
this.
it the same?
What do you mean?
Sorry,
It's
on
not
your
like-
help menu, did we spell it correctly on the help view,
Help menu view?
help menu view? Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And help menu view.
So so my thought is that because we have this main menu view, we created this game menu view when we did it on when we did this one above it. Where'd it go? Where was the one that we were?
Main menu, if you go all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, so we did this. So look, so game menu view.
Mm-hmm.
Game menu view was created right here.
Okay.
And then we have the help menu view because we're making essentially the same one, right?
Right.
We're just repeating it.
Mm-hmm.
So if that's the case, then we would be creating another page.
So wait, go to the top of your help menu view one more time.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that function, that display, let's see, public void display, help menu view. I mean that, and is that what it says at the bottom of main menu? Display help menu view.
Display help menu
trying to figure
view.
out.
Yeah.
So, I mean that should be the.
Can you try taking the word view off of the end of help menu?
Right here.
Yeah.
Still the same thing.
Because the display menu doesn't have view on it. On game menu.display menu.
That makes sense what I'm saying, though.
What if he saved?
So, because we had to do the same thing right here, right? Where it came up here and it came up there. We had both the marks. So the game menu view, we had to have created this one with that when we did that, right? So that's what this. So I'm wondering if because why would we have main menu view? Oh, like no, maybe I don't know. I don't know. I'm thinking.
Have you
about
saved
it?
Save it and see if it goes away, maybe.
That's a good point too. Nope.
Getting irritating.
Nope. Let's see. Nope. Oh, I know. Well, no, it's probably. Oh, yeah. There's no capital on your top line there. Help menu view space help menu equals new help menu. You got to capitalize the M in menu.
On what page?
There we go.
Line 118.
Yeah.
On your variable.
In the middle there.
Second word.
Oh.
Yay.
Yay, syntax. Thank you for that.
Okay, so I'm kind of afraid that we really are supposed to do the game menu.
It never told us to.
Can we wait?
Jennifer said that
I know, but
we didn't.
So
she said that we just had to do the menu.
I would say for now until the teacher responds, because it's not super. Now that we know how to pretty much do it, we just really, we're just copying pasting the same thing over, and we're just putting in options, and then like it doesn't seem that crazy to me. It's not going to take that long if we need to do it, but if not, then it leaves something to do for the assignments too.
Yeah, can you try running it?
Right.
Yeah, I thought I just had it up somewhere. Okay, so let's do name. Let me make it big. Okay, Kenji. Okay, let's go to the help menu. So let's do H. Perfect. So this is looking beautiful. All right, let's do G. Cool. L. U. Q. We did it. We did it.
Yay!
We did it. Hooray!
So we go ahead and push that.
Commit. What is this? What week is this?
7.
7. Should I put anything else besides that?
I'd say help menu view at least, and then work out where we're at.
View. Okay, and now let me go over here. Let me go Push. Okay. And let me know if it works for you guys. I'll be right back.
Okay. I lost my output screen. Do you know how to get it back, Shannon?
Is there down in the bottom left corner? Is there?
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, I found it. Okay. Sorry, I'm still seeing if mine worked.
So that was. I'm not gonna lie. That one was getting a little painful. That was a very long assignment.
Yeah, just think if we hadn't had all that stuff that we'd already done.
Yeah, right.
Now, when we say help, when we say H for help menu, isn't it supposed to display the help menu we made?
Yeah, mine does.
Yeah, it does it for me too. Are you making sure you're looking at the top?
Mine. Here, let me stop it and try it one more time. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay, so
make sure you make it
I'm
big.
running
so you can see
it.
Type
Okay.
then you have H, and then I mean, it shows it says help menu. It's actually not at the top though. It's right above it.
Oh, there it is now. Okay. Yep, it worked.
Hey.
Awesome.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just hold
So
off on
can we?
until we find out.
Yeah, until we hear about. I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty, and then I just want time tomorrow, if you don't mind, to understand what the heck we did, because some of that I was.
Yeah, and if any questions and stuff, post stuff up too, because info's good.
Okay.
Man, well,
all right.
As much as I love spending time with you guys, I feel like we know each other a little too well now. That was a lot of time.
Yeah.
All right, I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.